Now let us understand what is pharmaceutical interactions. Okay, which interactions are said to be pharmaceutical interactions? It's also called to be as incompatibility. Incompatibility is not compatible with certain amount of solutions. When drug is not compatible with certain solutions, when drug is not compatible with some other ingredients, there may be a pharmaceutical incompatibility is taking place. It is said to be as pharmaceutical interactions. It is a physico-chemical interaction. Physical-chemical interaction. If I separate into two categories, it is a physico-chemical interaction that occurs when drugs are mixed in IV infusions. When you are mixing drugs with IV infusions, causing precipitation or inactivation of some active principles of the drug therapy. So this interaction is said to be as pharmaceutical interactions. What happens? It can lead to incompatibility. And how it can lead to incompatibility? By physico-chemical interactions. And how it occurs? When you are mixing drugs with IV infusions. So utmost careful precaution or caution has to be taken whenever all drugs are not compatible with IV infusions. It may lead to certain precipitation or inactivation of active principles of the drug therapy, of drugs. So you should understand and you have to analyze in certain softwares like Micromedex and UpToDate, where you can check the IV compatibility. So now we will see some of the examples here where we can see the pharmaceutical interactions are notified. One is ampicillin, chlorpromazine, barbiturates. Some class of barbiturates interact with dextran in solutions. So all these drugs, it is not compatible with dextran, some class of barbiturates. So whether it is ampicillin, chlorpromazine, there are many other classes this is few examples I am taking. Ampicillins, chlorpromazine and barbiturates interact with dextran in solutions, and they are broken down from chemical compounds. Okay, that may lead to inactivation of the active principles of the drug therapy by precipitation. In future slides, we will see with examples of such interactions, whether it may be the pharmaceutical interactions and all the interactions which I have told, dynamic and kinetic interactions. I will show you with Micromedex how we assess the drug interactions which happens in the hospitals. Thank you.